Okay, next icon will be an ATM machine. Well, an ATM. So let's title, and then ATM will start with a square. And then within that, sort of 3 parts. Bring it up like that. Oops. Bring it up like this. Just shrink that down. We'll keep going. Otherwise we'll run out of space on this page. Good. I'll zoom in for the detail. And again, sort of break it up like this. And put me there. Might be the square there. Square there. We can fit one more. Yep. So we'll zoom in. Then you've got the monitor. There's a rectangle there, so you can see that it's just made up of a series of rectangles, really. And I know there's different types of ATMs, so just drawing what I can find at the moment, and then we can, I'm sure the bank will have some models online or pictures that you can get hold of. So I had the keypad, knowing that it's actually sort of back into the machine a bit. This just gives you a view. You could put the buttons down the side here. bank name. Top. You add things like little bits and bobs or a little reflection on the screen. But as you can see, that makes up a pretty good ATM machine. Now, if I was to simplify that, I'd maybe just put the key pieces in. So let's just backtrack. Take this one. So I would have title, have a screen, have somewhere where you put the card, and then maybe keypad and something where, say, the money comes out here. So there you go. You can see that the more detail you have, the easier it is to recognize that as an ATM.